Today's topic is to find the position of a characters in a given string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem: method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using an find method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our string and a counter over here, that is a string and the substring which we need to found it, or you can say it as a character which we need to find in our string, and we have set an counter, that is a count which tends to be the 0. After that we are going to use the loop over here, in which we are going to go through from the 0 up to the length of our string, and after that we have set an if condition over here which is going to check each and every element of our string number 1, and it is going to compare it with our string number 2, that is a particular character which we need to find in our string number 1. And after that we are going to set the count value to be +1, since the length of the string we are talking about, so it's going to be the -1. That's why we are incrementing it by 1, and we are using a break condition because we don't need to find the another one, because if we need to find, then it's going to get into the bad conditions. And after that we have used an if condition for the output, that is if count tends to be the 0, then the character has not been founded, that is please enter a valid character, else we are printing that character index over here.